The Wall Street Journal editorial board wrote this. How much will it matter politically? Little in Wednesday's hearing spoke well of Mr. Trump, but little of it will surprise Americans or by itself rise to an impeachable offense. But the impeachment machinery is now up and running. Democrats may find it's not easy to stop, though they'll need witnesses who are more credible than Michael Cohen. And then this from Amy Walter. She writes at the Cook Political Report. She writes, number one, does it put pressure on Democrats to call for an impeachment and investigation? Number two, does it move public opinion of the president? At the end of the day on Wednesday, my answer is to both questions is no. But you think it was a bad day for the president. Do you disagree with that?
Look, I don't think we're anywhere near impeachment yet, but there is an appetite in this country for the truth. There is an appetite to get at those financial records and find out what the truth is. So Cohen obviously is not a completely credible witness. He's lied before. He might be lying again. But it's important to note, in 3 separate instances, he supported the president. So if he was there to bury the president, why did he defend him on the issues of he did not have an illegitimate child, he did not hit his wife, there was no Russian collusion? So clearly, some of what he's saying might be true. The question for Congress is to get at that truth with facts. He provided a lot of exhibits. He showed that check signed by Trump and a lot of other documentation.
Let me ask you one specific question about, so when we talked about Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez and he responds and he says there's 3 people at Trump Tower, and he mentions Alan Weisselberg. Weisselberg has immunity from the Southern District of New York, and he has. So supposedly that means that he's cooperating with them? Or do we not know that? Or is that too much of a leap?
Look, it's possible, but at the end of the day, it won't be 1 or 2 individuals. They're going to have to conduct a thorough investigation, and wherever that truth leads, that's the destination. If it means that president stays in office, that he's done nothing wrong, then that's one conclusion. Or he's tripped up. He surrounded himself by some awfully interesting people who have been indicted. So what does this say about the character of the president? What does it say about the president's judgment? What does it say about him? Who is the commander-in-chief today? And when he was commander, when he was in charge of that Trump organization, what did he order people to do? It's also very interesting that he paid for that painting, allegedly, with foundation money.
So, but those things would be to character issues, and I think people's feelings about the president are already baked in on that issue. The question is, are there legality issues?
Good question. Great question. Often, character will inform and cause behavior. Were those behaviors legal or illegal? Were they all legal? Is there some illegality? That's what I think Congress is going to get to the bottom of.
All right, Domenic Romano, thanks for coming in and sharing your thoughts with us.
Thank you.